What's up, y'all? So, it's led to make a video, right? So I'm outside, right? Chilling, and I'm just saying to myself, like, man, sometimes I can't believe this is really your life, right? This is really your life. Like, it's nuts. It's crazy. This hat, man. Anyway, I was sitting there, right, and I'm downtown, right, Seattle, and I'm looking at the skyscrapers, right? I'm looking at the skyscrapers, and my spiritual eyes are showing me something, right? It like, oh, this fly. Hold on. You know what? Forget it. I'm just gonna have to not be distracted by it. My spiritual eyes start to do something, right? They start to flash on the outline of the skyscrapers, right? And Holy Spirit starts to show me something, right? Shows me like one of those Sims games, right? Or those farm games that you can play on your phone, right? Download an app. And this is what the Matrix is, right? Uh, 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 this construct we live in, right? This 3D digital realm, okay, where you can see and touch, right? There's solids, and there's, you know what I'm saying, gases, and you can touch things, right? It's in a 3D. This is where the manifestation manifests into, if you get what I'm saying, right? So Holy Spirit showing me the outline of these skyscrapers, right? And telling me that they're just a mirror, right, to what's already up there, right? So as above, so below, right? This is just a watered down form, right? Down here on earth. It's a watered down version of what's in the heavens. Okay. And it just mirrors the heavens, right? Earth mirrors the heavens, the heavenly realms. Okay. So it's like one person, right? Or a few people, right? A few different families own everything at the top, right? And then just like those Sims games, right? Those farmland games that you can download and play, right? They build buildings, structures, entities, if you will, right? They build them, right? And then they run them like a generator, right? Like a generator, okay? A program, right? And then from that whole structure, they branch out and make smaller programs, smaller you know what I'm saying? Smaller entities. You get what I'm saying? And then from that, they branch out more, right? You got Walmarts, you got yeah, Lowe's, you got, this is what I mean. You get what I'm saying? All of these companies are owned by the same families. Okay? And they plant their demonic seeds, right? The entities, right? The structures they're building. They plant their demonic seeds wherever they build their companies, right? Their logo, whatever, wherever they build up their brand, right? And work out of, right? To get people to buy and buy and buy and consume, right? And then they just put it up everywhere, right? Get as much land as possible, stretch out as far as and wide as possible, right? To cover every base that they want to cover, right? To poison and pollute and destroy, to steal, to kill, to rob, maim, right? To brainwash, right? And what God has us doing is the same thing, but the opposite, right? We're putting down our seeds. We've been putting down our seeds. So now our structures are going to grow, right? And now we're going to branch out from one big structure. We're going to branch out, right? with different systems. And right from those ones, we're going to branch out more. Do you get what I'm saying? The Bible verse that's coming to me is God takes one down and raises up another. That's exactly the verse that came to me. God takes one down and he raises up another. I find that perfectly befitting for what I'm talking about. I hope I didn't confuse you. It's like spiritual things are hard to translate. Um, they're just harder to translate. So some things we have no translation for, so it's hard to put it in a picture form for you. Okay, so hope that makes sense to you, right? But this is what you're doing, right? You're tearing down old systems and you're rebuilding new. You know what I'm saying, right? That's what prophets do. They go in, they tear down the old, and they bring in the foundation of the new and build from there, from the ground up, right? All right, so love y'all. I'll holler at y'all later, okay? Peace. Later.